Good day and welcome to Customer Effects Training videos. My name is Dale Richter and today we'll be talking about recently viewed records in the SalesLogix web client. Let me switch over here to my web client. And we're currently looking at the welcome screen in the web client. So when I log in, it brings me directly to the welcome screen. In the upper left-hand corner of the screen, you see recently viewed records. And when I click on that, nothing shows up there right now. So I'm going to go look up several different types of records. First, I'm going to go to Contacts. And I'll look up a record here. We'll look up Keith Abbott. And there's my Keith Abbott. I can click on the hyperlink here, which will bring me right to his detailed view of a record. I'm going to then go down to Opportunities, and I'm going to look up an opportunity here. When I do look up an opportunity, I'm going to look up by account rather than by account manager. Let me do a search there. I've got a Mountain Ranch Phase 1 and Phase 2. I can bring up that Mountain Ranch opportunity, which then, of course, brings me to that detailed view for that. I can also go back and I'm going to look up accounts now. So I'll go back to the accounts entity down the left-hand side of the screen. And we'll look up another account here. I'll just put in a letter. And we'll pull up Hire and Fire, one of the accounts that's in this database also. So, and then I'm also going to look up lead. There we've got a couple. I'll pull up Ken Rose here. So I'll pull up that lead screen. Now if I need to go back to something like the Keith Abbott that I looked up before, rather than have to look up that record again, I can go up to the recently viewed records. And you'll see here it shows me all the different entities: leads, accounts, opportunities, and contacts. And under contacts, it shows me that I had looked up Keith Abbott. So I could quickly go back to the Keith Abbott record just by going up to the recently viewed. I can click on that again. If I want to return to an opportunity, I can go down to my opportunity. There's that Mountain Ranch Phase 2 opportunity that we had pulled up earlier. I can click on that and bring up that Mountain Ranch Phase 2. So under the recently viewed now, you see that it shows all the 4 different entities and all the records that I've looked up during this login. So this only holds this information during this login. You'll see here, if I go ahead and log off, I'm going to log back on again. And now that I've logged on, if I go up to my recently viewed, that is empty again. So it empties out every time you log off the system. But that is very valuable as you're moving around the database. Very often you'll need to go back to a record you were working on earlier, and very quickly you can do that by going up to the recently viewed records. This is a feature that I use quite a lot in SalesLogix. So make sure you use it. It'll help you a lot to move around much more quickly within SalesLogix. This webinar was recently viewed records in the SalesLogix web client. I want to thank you for joining me this afternoon and have a great day.